let me tell you guys something about these gorgeous curtains. So first, they come with 4 panels. I didn't need the 4 panels. And then it comes with rope to tie them back. Now let me show you how easy it is to undo it. Boom, done. Something about these, when I put them up, I was like, wow, I feel like royalty. I don't know if it's because of like the gold shimmer with the green. I'm not sure. But it made me want to be fed grapes. You know how they do those in the movies? So these are very, very, very pretty curtains. This is the before of the curtains that I had hanging up originally. And then this, ta-da, is the green curtains. My royalty curtains, if you will, that have replaced them. I also like the way they look tied to the side. In just a couple seconds, I do show you the rings that the curtains have. They're just like strings, and they make the curtains not fall weird. They have them more upright.